What if you could diagnose your car like a professional mechanic without ever stepping foot in a repair shop? Meet the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite OBD2 scanner, a powerful, tablet-style diagnostic tool trusted by professionals but simple enough for any car owner to use. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes the X431 PRO Elite one of the most advanced and versatile scan tools on the market and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a few honest pros and cons that most reviews don't tell you. The LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite is not your average OBD2 scanner. This is a professional-grade, full-system diagnostic tool, meaning it can access every module in your vehicle: engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, TPMs, and more. All system diagnosis. It reads and clears codes from over 150 plus brands worldwide, including US, Asian, and European vehicles. Whether it's a Chevy, BMW, Toyota, or Ford, the X431 PRO Elite has you covered. Bi-directional control. You can send commands to individual components like turning fuel injectors on and off, testing the A or C clutch, or cycling the ABS pump. Perfect for advanced DIRs or shop use. 31 plus service functions, from oil resets and throttle adaptation to DPF regeneration, key coding, battery registration, and injector coding. This scanner does it all. Android-based tablet design. It features an 8-inch touchscreen with a smooth interface, built-in Wi-Fi, and a rechargeable 6,000 mAh battery. No need for a PC, everything happens right on the device. Wireless Bluetooth connection. The scanner connects to your vehicle via the DeepScar connector, allowing you to move freely around the car during diagnostics. Online updates and cloud report storage. You get 2 years of free updates, so you'll always have the latest vehicle data and functions at your fingertips. Let's talk about the real-world experience, the pros and cons of using the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite. Pros: incredibly comprehensive coverage, works with nearly all car brands and systems. Professional-level features like bidirectional tests and ECU coding. Tablet design makes it easy to use anywhere. No laptop needed. Fast operation and smooth interface. Great for busy garages. Cloud report sharing helps keep client or personal records organized. Cons: it's not the cheapest scanner, more suited for serious DIRs or professional techs. Some advanced features vary by vehicle brand. Not all cars support every function. The initial setup and updates can take a bit of time if you're new to launch devices. Overall, the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite is an exceptional diagnostic tool for anyone who wants dealership-level capabilities in their own hands. If you're a DIY enthusiast, this scanner will save you hundreds, even thousands, in diagnostic fees over time. If you're a professional mechanic, it's a reliable, all-in-one tool that boosts your productivity and accuracy. It's powerful, user-friendly, and future-ready, making it one of the best investments in automotive diagnostics. For 2025.so, is the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite worth it? Absolutely! Especially if you're serious about taking control of your car's health. Check out the link in the description below to learn more or grab yours today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another tip from auto repair.